welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a sort of foodie vlog, I guess. I filmed this weekend. Every day in our house is a little bit different. Weekends tend to be a little bit more special, but I thought I would just share what happened on this day. And I also wanted to share a really easy slow cooker recipe because I love these and I've always loved these, and they're great if you want to throw it together because you have to come home and have a meal ready. So I want to share that today in this video too. So stay tuned to watch everything that happened on this Saturday in the Talbott home. So now that the soccer season is over, we're just getting nice, slow Saturday mornings. And so the boys woke up and they were just kind of slowly getting out of bed. Me and Byron were outside just chit-chatting about some of the things that we need to do before the winter. And we'll share an update on that. I was extra excited to make my coffee this morning because I recently got this on Amazon. A friend of mine made me some coffee and used this to froth the milk. And I was mesmerized. And I decided to get one for myself, and can I say it was the best $20 I've spent. It makes 4 different types of froth. It has the cold cream, it can heat up the milk, or it can make 2 types of warm foam, like the density on one is a little bit thicker than the other. Anyway, for what coffee costs these days, you have to make it at home. I don't even add sugar. It's just like my coffee and that, and I'm in heaven. And then we had some challah bread that was starting to go a little stale, so Byron decided to make some French toast for the kids, which they definitely don't eat like this every day. They normally eat eggs or cereal before school, or sometimes there's breakfast at their school. They'll want to eat the breakfast depending on what they're having at school on that day. On this day, Byron made them some French toast. He does have a French toast recipe on his cooking channel, but I don't think he has an updated one, and I think he went a little extra with that one on his channel. So I'll put the link below in my description, and I have put in the request for an updated French toast video because he makes some pretty yummy French toast. And he really blesses us with his cooking all the time, which we're very thankful for. So on this Saturday, it's extra special because Oliver's best friend is having a birthday party a little later. So they're just chilling, playing games. I decided to go into Nashville quickly to do the grocery run for the week, which Saturday is crazy. I usually like to go during the week if I can, but we were running out of some things and I wanted to get some of my favorites from Trader Joe's. It takes me almost 40 minutes to get into Trader Joe's, so a lot of times I shop at Aldi or Walmart, which I did earlier in the week, but there are a few things I love at Trader Joe's that you can't find anywhere else, especially some of our favorite snacks, and also some of the canned goods that we really like. Came back and got everything out, started putting everything away, and then that's usually when we snack on things that I've picked up from Trader Joe's, so both me and my kids love those heart of palm. We'll just open it up and start eating it. So I opened up the dolma, the heart of palm. We had some cheese. We had a little bit of bread. It was just kind of a hodgepodge of everything. And I don't know if any of you do that when you come home from grocery shopping. You just kind of taste a few different things. So, and then I wanted to start getting dinner ready because we had to leave for the birthday party pretty soon. I'm such a huge fan of my slow cooker. I've had the same one for years. It goes back to the Pinterest days and early days in my channel because I've just always loved my slow cooker. And what I love about recipes like these is they're just easy. All you have to do is throw and go. And I'm basically dumping a bunch of stuff into the slow cooker, turning it on low, and leaving it the entire time we're at the birthday party. This recipe has been a favorite of mine for years. As a matter of fact, I think I made this recipe at one point on my channel, and it's like a slow cooker chicken enchilada soup. You can take or leave what you like and don't like, but we add corn, black beans, fire roasted tomatoes, green chilies, and you can find, I usually find all of these at Trader Joe's, and then more recently we actually grow green chilies in our garden and we like to fire roast the tomatoes that we grow as well, but you can find the cans most places. And then chicken broth as well. I'm going to use 2 of these boxes that you can find at Trader Joe's. We don't have any chicken broth that we've made on hand right now, but a lot of times we do like to make our chicken broth as well. So there's a lot of different ways to go with it, but to make it a little bit more convenient, of course, you can always find these and just have them ready to go. Put the top on, put it on low for 6 hours, high for 3 hours. And then you can just leave it. When you come back, all you have to do is shred the chicken and then it's ready to go. So especially on a cold fall, winter day, and you just want to have something ready to go when you get home that's no fuss and the cleanup is easy, this is definitely a good one.
2, 3 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 32, 64, 64 plus 64, 168, 128.
So today was Oliver's best friend's birthday, and he had just like a really small boutique party with just Oliver, Isaiah, and one of his other friends and his siblings at this like place where there's a bunch of games and a bunch of fun things to do. So we just had a blast, but we were there for a little bit, and there was like those pizza, cupcakes, things like that. And then we had a little bit of a drive to get home. By the time we got home, dinner was ready to go. I just had to pull the chicken out, shred it, add a little bit of salt and pepper, put it back in, and then I turned it on high and just left it on for about 15-20 minutes until we were ready to eat. And that was it. So if you're looking for a meal where you can throw and go, leave for 3 to 6 hours, and come home to a warm meal, definitely try this out. And I'll be sharing more of my favorite slow cooker recipes over the next few months because those are the ones I really like to do this time of the year. They're easy and they always turn out delicious. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing meal, but it's definitely tasty. And if you add a little cheese, a little tortilla chips, maybe some sour cream, it's perfect. If you enjoyed this video or videos like it, please hit that thumbs up button so I know which videos that you want more of. And also hit that subscribe button because I create videos on the regular. I share my lifestyle, including the journeys of motherhood, home life, food, garden, self-care. So if you like that, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.